Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Cash App login issues, verification and PIN errors step by step clearly. Open Cash App and make sure you are using the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. Restart your phone to clear temporary app glitches that can block sign-in. Check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test stability. Turn off any VPN or proxy because it can trigger security blocks during verification. Confirm your phone's date and time are set to automatic to prevent code validation failures. On the login screen, choose the correct sign-in method, either phone number or email, and stick to one. Carefully re-enter your phone number or email and double-check for typos before requesting a code. Request a new verification code and wait at least 60 seconds before requesting again. If the code does not arrive, check your SMS inbox spam or blocked messages and unblock shortcodes. If you use email login, check the spam and promotions folders and search for Cash App in your mailbox. Make sure your phone can receive SMS by sending a test text from another number. If you recently changed your number, try signing in with your email and then update your phone number after login. If you are locked out after too many attempts, stop trying and wait for the lockout period to end. Go to your device settings and force close Cash App. Then open it again and try signing in. Clear the app cache on Android, or uninstall and reinstall the app on iPhone if cache is not available. After reinstalling, log in again and grant SMS permissions so the app can auto-read verification codes if needed. When prompted for your Cash App PIN, type it slowly and avoid repeated rapid attempts. If you forgot the PIN, tap Forgot PIN and follow the identity prompts to reset it securely. Complete any requested identity checks, like confirming your name, date of birth, or last four of SSN if shown. If verification asks for a card, enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV exactly as printed. Ensure the billing zip code matches what your bank has on file to avoid verification rejection. If you recently got a new phone, complete device verification and approve any security prompts. Check that your phone number is not tied to another Cash App account, because that can block verification. Review your email for security alerts and approve any new sign-in confirmations if required. If the app shows something went wrong, try logging in from a different network to rule out network filtering. Avoid using public Wi-Fi during login because it can cause security triggers and code delays. If you still cannot sign in, open Cash App support from the official website and choose Can't Access Account. Provide only necessary details to support and never share your PIN or full verification codes with anyone. Subscribe to the channel and like the video for more step-by-step fixes like this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.